In this video, I want to show you how to use OpenAI API for 3 different use cases. We're going to be doing this repository cloning, and then we're going to create a virtual environment so that the API is going to be replicated consistently across our laptops. So this is how you create and activate the virtual environment for Python, and this is how you will install the dependencies. In this case, we just need OpenAI API, latest version of it, and we will also use the environment package from Python to read the API also consistently across our devices. So you can see how the API is already here. The package is ready and installed, and now just a quick look to the requirements file. This is a consistent way to install applications, really useful for containers as well, as we will see in future videos. And this is everything that got installed. All these packages are sub-dependencies from our main one. Now we are going to read the API from the .env variable. You have a sample file here on the repository as well to just insert yours, and we need to go to the test folders where I've placed all of these scripts. So yeah, just execute it. Make sure that you have the .env file on the same folder level, like so. And this is how we're going to start. We're going to do text-to-text, so regular OpenAI LLM call, but I'm going to show you how to do it for versions greater than 1, as there are some conflicts with the previous versions, and actually if you ask ChatGPT to give you this, it will still give you all versions. So yeah, if you got some of those issues, this is what you need. It's only these 20 lines of codes, and you just need to be aware, on how to call it client.chat.completions.create, and you have the system part, the user prompt. So yeah, you can tweak it and see how it works to be our Streamlit Python assistant, right? Here it is, really concise to the point. And yeah, I'm sure this application works. So yeah, and as mentioned, this is going to be the base ground for this repository that I will be explaining on future videos, right? We're just seeing the API calls, but there are a few more that we will cover, as well as GitHub actions and so on. But yeah, to the point, let's see other use case of OpenAI API. Now we're going to do transcription, right? We're going to do text to audio, speech to text, right? They call it. So simply, I have modified a little bit the code so that we just read from a TXT file instead of having input text hard-coded on the script. So given this transcription.txt, which I was using it from the audio of my Cloudflare video before, let's just tweak it a little bit so that it's not totally the same. Yeah, just write something. And then we are going to see how simple it is to generate that audio, right? And I'm sure that, well, the voice is quite familiar to you as the one, that I'm using for all of these videos, right? So yeah, let's just execute it, see how the audio is just created, an MP3 file that we are going to reproduce. And now we're just going to execute the script and the MP3 file will be just generated, right? Let's see how all this looks with a second. As mentioned during my previous video, we will be able to use Cloudflare to expose safely all our self-hosting apps, including AI apps. Today we are preparing the base to understand such AI apps with APIs. And that's pretty much it for these conned use case now. Last but not least, we're going to DOM P3 to text, so text to audio also with OpenAI API. Yeah, also nothing complicated, just put the path audio file and where do you want the output to write. And this is it, let's execute the script in a second. And here we go, that's everything I wanted to show you for now. You have their repository with all the scripts in the description, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you soon.